Hey there, garden lovers! Have you ever seen a plant that just seems to glow with vibrant golden green leaves spreading out like a beautiful carpet? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to one of my all-time favorites, Creeping Jenny. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to grow this amazing plant in your garden, and trust me, it's easier than you think. All right, let's get started. Here's what you'll need to grow Creeping Jenny. First, you'll need some good quality potting soil. Creeping Jenny isn't too picky, but well-draining soil helps it thrive. You'll also need a small shovel, a watering can, and of course your star of the show, Creeping Jenny. Step 1, find the perfect spot in your garden. Creeping Jenny loves both sun and partial shade. If you want those vibrant yellow-green leaves, a sunny spot is ideal. But don't worry, it's pretty adaptable. Step 2, planting. Dig a small hole, just big enough for the root ball. Gently remove the plant from its pot and place it in the hole. Fill in around it with soil and press down lightly to secure the plant.
Step 3, watering.
Give it a good drink of water right after planting. Creeping Jenny likes to be kept moist, especially in the beginning. After that, just water it regularly to keep the soil slightly damp. One of the best things about Creeping Jenny is how fast it grows. It'll start spreading out quickly, creating a beautiful ground cover. You can even use it in hanging baskets or let it cascade over the edges of containers for a stunning effect. To keep your Creeping Jenny looking its best, you might want to feed it once in a while. A balanced, all-purpose fertilizer works great. Just follow the instructions on the package and your plant will thank you. And if it ever starts to look a bit too wild, don't be afraid to trim it back. Creeping Jenny handles pruning well and will grow back even fuller. See how easy that was? Growing Creeping Jenny is a breeze, and it adds such a lovely touch to any garden. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this plant is a must. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone.